Here's the issue. You buy a piece of equipment and you have a dust collector, in this case a small shop vac, you want to connect to this and it doesn't always fit. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to make these connectors out of PVC pipe. So let's get started. So what I realized, this is 1 3/4 inch and this is 1 1/4 inch. And so we got to be able to have some connectors to fit together. So what I found is I bought a couple of PVC couplers, and 1 3/4 inch is, that actually fits on here almost tight enough. So what we did on this side, we put it on here and stretched it out, heated it up with a heat gun, and then I was able to slide this on so it has a nice snug fit. Now the other end is the situation where we need to make this connector into here, but this is a little bit too large, so we're going to put it on here and squeeze it down to compress it to make it where it'll fit. Then all we'll have to do is make this end of the connector fit into here, and we'll do that with PVC cement. All right, the most important thing to do is have something that will be non-flame proof and where you can heat this up. So I have my metal vise out here. The only thing I'm doing is trying to heat up all the sides of this, have it nice and warm and malleable. Let's see if we can start squeezing now. See if we can get any traction in here.
In real time, this took about 2 minutes, but I'm just going to show it to you in about 30 seconds so you can see that you just keep heating it up, fitting it in, squeezing it. You don't want to get it too hot and melt it, but you do want to get it soft enough that you can compress it. So after a couple of minutes and trying and retrying and gripping it, you'll be able to get your PVC pipe to condense down to fit snugly on the hose.
All right, so here's our piece. We'll end up using PVC cement to glue that, but we have a nice fit for our hose to come in, so you can feel by turning it fits nice and snug. And then we have a mark on here that fits the back of our sanders. We know that that's the best fit for that. So now we can sand with suction. So let's try that out. Have a sander. Hook up to our vac, turn on the vac, and let's sand this piece right here. So there you go, a custom dust collector coupling. And you bought these for 79 and 81 cents. So it's a heck of a deal for $1.50. So I'm Bodie Pendus. If you liked our dust collection tip, give us a thumbs up. Want to see more of our projects? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.